Hello, Cardinals. We're going to be talking about lesson 6 and starting a new tab today. Our topic is hurricanes, and our central question is what conditions are required for hurricanes to form? Our introduction today sounds like this. Hurricanes and other rotating storms are strong forces of nature. Both hurricanes and tornadoes have winds powerful enough to lift objects and turn them into dangerous, high-speed missiles, as shown in Figure 6.1. In this and later sessions, you'll study the origins and behaviors of these catastrophic storms, as well as their effects on the areas they strike and the people who live there. In the investigation of this lesson, you will study something fundamental to both hurricanes and tornadoes: the formation and behavior of vortices, those tight spinning tornado-like forms. Vortices is the plural for vortex. You will use 2 bottles, one empty and one filled with water, to model the circulation in a storm. You will also take a step back to read about thunderstorms and their powerful updrafts that can be a nursery for vortices of air and full-fledged tornadoes. We're going to be going through the getting started today. The first one is just talking about investigation we're going to have, looking at vortices and talking about tornadoes and hurricanes, and we'll be doing this in groups. The second one's asking us to look at these images, and we're going to be discussing what's similar and different about them. We'll also be watching a video on the Coriolis effect, which is it's caused by the spinning of the Earth. And there's a couple different videos that will be placed on Google Classroom for you to watch. And then we're going to be reading Building Your Knowledge, Hurricane Formation, and you're going to be completing the study guide along with reading and coding. We're going to be looking at the pictures of hurricanes. We have the cross section, words like eye wall, and rain bands. And there's a cross-section view and an aerial view, and they'll be labeling them. So things like the eye wall, the eye, and the rain bands in both the cross-section and the aerial view. And then once again, a number of videos that you can watch. So our to-do list today are getting started, steps 1 to 4, read about hurricane formations, and get some vocab in the book. So if you have any questions, please let your teacher know, and have a great day, Cardinals.